Buongiorno amici! Today my mom and I will show you how to make sun-dried tomatoes, the authentic homemade way. In Italian, pomodori secchi, and I will show you how to preserve for the winter making delicious pomodori sott'olio. First of all, you need these beautiful red tomatoes, which are usually available in the whole season. 5 kilos of tomatoes make 500 grams of sun-dried tomatoes. So we used 2 glass jars of 580 milliliters each. Cut the tomato in half and place one next to each other. Now spread the salt on the tomatoes and we are going to dry the tomatoes naturally with the sun for 3 or 4 days. We do this in the summer, so the secret is to place the tomatoes in your garden or on your balcony in the morning when the sun is out and take it back when there is the sunset. Remember to place the tomatoes somewhere safe from the birds. Alternatively, guys, you can buy sun-dried tomatoes from your local market. Day 2, Day 3, look how they have reduced their volume and you can see the salt print. Little trick, when we touch inside, the tomato is still wet, so we need one more day. Day 4, our tomatoes are completely dry, the seeds and the outside. They are ready. Now you need to soak the tomatoes in white vinegar for half an hour. We use 800 milliliters of vinegar. We do this to remove all the salt. Mix the tomatoes a few times during these 30 minutes. Before seasoning the tomatoes, don't forget to wash and sterilize your jars. How to do this? It's easy. Put some water in a big pot and when the water boils, immerse the jars with the tops and leave it for 20 minutes. Okay, now that our jars are sterilized, we can start seasoning our preserved tomatoes. You need garlic, parsley, chili, capers, and olive oil. Start by making the base with the ingredients. And now you need to squeeze the tomatoes to get rid of the vinegar. When you are at half of the jar, add the ingredients again and keep adding more tomatoes. Lastly, you need to cover the top with another layer of ingredients. Now pour olive oil until the top of the jar. Spread the olive oil everywhere using a fork. If you see bubbles, means that the oil hasn't spread everywhere yet, and there is still some air. Push down with the fork and cover with the lids, but don't close the jars for one day, because tomorrow you need to check if there are still bubbles. We have no more bubbles, so you can close it and wait 1 month before to taste and enjoy these delicious sun-dried tomatoes. You can keep them for the whole winter, having as an aperitif or as ingredients for other recipes. It's worth and delicious, trust me. Enjoy and buon appetito! Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of these recipes. See you next Saturday!